How to turn on or off Smart Invert in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, tap on Display and Text Size under the Vision section. This area allows you to adjust visual settings like text size and color to improve readability. Here, scroll down until you find the Smart Invert option. Smart Invert reverses the colors of the display, except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. You will see the screen colors instantly reverse. To turn it off, simply tap the toggle switch again. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Smart Invert on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.